India is our neighbor country. We are neighbors. And let's be very blunt. Even if we are not neighbors by choice, but we are there forever. And it is up to us to live peacefully and progress, or quarrel with each other and waste time and resources. That's up to us. So, my message to the Indian leadership and Prime Minister Modi is that let's sit down on the table and have serious and sincere talks to resolve our burning issues like Kashmir, where flagrant violation of human rights are taking place day in and day out.
That's a very important message today.
Absolutely. And two, they usurped whatever semblance of autonomy was given to the Kashmiris in their constitution, Article 370. They revoked that in August 2019. And minorities over there are being grossly mishandled. I'm not going to go into details. Suffice it to say that this must stop, so that a message can go around the globe that India is ready to have talks, and we are more than ready.
So you are ready for peace?
Absolutely.
Okay.
We are not a country, we don't have zayt or gas. We have very strong human resource, labor, engineers, etc. That's our asset. We want to convert that into our tools to provide prosperity. And for that we need to use our resources to alleviate poverty, unemployment, provide medicine, high quality education, etc. And not waste these resources in getting ammunition and bombs. That's the message I want to give to Modi.